Hello there, I'm Chad Daly, one of the inventors of the VIKCTIM Drag Strap and a firefighter with the Kansas City, Missouri Fire Department. I've experienced firsthand the importance of every second in an emergency situation. The right gear can make all the difference. Thank you for choosing VIKCTIM Drag Strap to assist you in your life-saving situations. All right, we brought Alex in. We're going to demonstrate how to install this strap, VIKCTIM Drag Strap, into your gear. As he turns around, if he wants this to come out of his left sleeve, we're going to put it on his right shoulder. To know that we installed it properly, you'll see the QR code and the label facing you once it's put on. Here's the first adjustment we talked about for the shoulder. We want this tri-glide to land somewhere between the armpit and the shoulder blade. As you move on and we wrap this around his shoulder, he's going to put his thumb into the 10-inch hand loop. And then he's going to fist bump himself. If you have the full 10-inch loop there, that's a good starting point for your training to determine where you like this to be at. Once it's in your gear, it falls underneath your arm, it pulls up into your gear, and it stows on the shell of your jacket with the magnets right here. Out of your way, discreetly hidden in the sleeve of your coat. We're going to put the shell of his jacket on. We've identified that this is gear that it works well with. If your gear had a DRD, it doesn't interfere with that. That would also be installed right now. Everything would get buttoned back up, put together, ready for your next call. The strap, you can pull it out, make sure it's all straight. If he reaches up, that will pull a lot of that strap back in. If there's any left over, all you have to do is shove the last couple inches in there and flip this magnetic part of the strap over to the other magnetic part, and it will stay there out of your way until you need it. And that's how you properly size and install the VIKCTIM Drag Strap. Remember, with 2 adjustment points for a custom fit, this strap is designed to enhance your performance during rescue operations. Train with it, get comfortable with it, and it will serve you well in the field.